What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be fixing some curb rash on some wheels that, all four have been curbed. They're black 20x12 moto metals. Tires are in decent shape. The wheels are in good shape. Just the lip, they all need to be fixed. So we're going to get those scuffed up and painted and looking way better. This is a good way to buy some cheaper wheels and make some money and flip them, or throw them on your truck and obviously make it look way better and save $400, $500, $600. So yeah, let's jump right into it. All right, so these are the wheels. They're 20x12 Motomel 962s, and like I said, they all have a good bit of rash on them. This one went almost all the way around into this side. So we're gonna be taping off these little chrome accents, and then obviously taping all this and sand these down and get them nice and smooth again. Like I said, they won't be perfect, but they're gonna look way better. Paint and then clear coat, and we'll see how they turn out. This one's probably the best one, but still has some blemishes, so I'm gonna paint all these lips and get them looking fresh. This one's really bad, as you can see. And obviously clean the rest of the wheels up and polish them up, yeah, all the way around, even into some of the chrome accents or milled accents. And then I don't know what happened here, but they're pretty rough, but can't pass them up. Got these for 800 bucks. Let's say if they're in perfect condition, probably could buy them for, I don't know, $1,200 to $1,500. New, they're probably about $2,000, maybe $2,100, $2,200. So definitely save some money.
Brazilian president who shook Trump's hand is positive for coronavirus.
60, 180, 320. Boom. All right, so we got them cleaned up, and now I'm gonna get them taped up, and then I'm gonna start sanding and then start painting. Alrighty, I'm getting this one prepped with a 2-inch grinding disc, one of the rougher ones, and then I'll use a little bit of the smoother ones, basically just to get all the rough edges and gouges out. And then I'll come behind that with some sandpaper and get it all nice and smooth and prep ready for paint. Alright, now I'm taking the other disc, which is a little less coarse, a little more padded, and I got all the rash pretty much, like the rough grooves, taken out, and now I'm just going to go through and try and get them a little bit more smooth. But like I said, all the rough edges are pretty much out. All right, we got it somewhat smooth here. Got all the rough edges out with the grinding discs. And now I'm gonna take some sandpaper blocks, starting out with, like, more coarse, and then working my way to finer sand. So this is like, I think 400 and then 180, or I'm sorry, not 400. I think this is 80, then 180, and then I have 320, and then 400, and then be good to paint. So yeah, I'm gonna get going on that now. Basically putting some weight into it and just going back and forth. It's a slow process, but slow and steady wins the race. All right. Paint thinner to clean it up. Tape around. We're gonna tape the little rivets. Taped off. All right, got this one all taped up. Ready for some paint now. At least the first coat, we'll probably do 3. I think 2 coats is all I'm gonna do. Turned out really well. Gonna wait for this to dry and then hit it with some clear. All right, clear coat time. It says that it wants 1 light coat followed by 1 wet coat. So I guess we'll do 2 coats and see how it is. All right, so this one turned out awesome. It's still drying, but I'm gonna peel the tape because if it's wet, you know, it'll make a good line coming around. If you wait till it to dry and then peel the tape, then it can peel up what is already dried. So while it's wet, you know, it can still separate and whatnot. And once it's dried, you know, it's a lot harder. So now is a satisfying part in ripping all this tape off. it's all done. I just gotta put them on the truck, but man, these turned out really good. Really happy with it. All right, got the wheels all finished up, and man, do they look good. They turned out so good. All the rash is gone, some good paint on them, some clear. Now they're ready to go for however many more miles. So I'm gonna throw these on the Duramax. But let's see, I paid $800 for these. I have probably about $100 into supplies, paint and sandpaper and some tools. And these are easily worth probably around my area, $1,400 to $1,500. So, you know, quick way to make $500. Like I said, I'm throwing them on my truck, but easy way to make some money, some flip money. And yeah, it's pretty easy. I think anyone can do this with some patience, and you know, it takes a few hours, but definitely worth doing and saving you some money instead of buying some brand new wheels. Hoo-wee. It's like a totally different truck with some window tint and some wheels on it. 20 by 12, Moto Metal 962s on some Cooper 33s. Negative 44 millimeter offset. Wow, it looks so much better. Unreal. All right, guys. The dolly is done. All right, guys, that's gonna wrap it up for today's video. Hopefully you enjoyed. Hopefully you learned something. How you can buy some curb rash wheels and fix them up, make some money, or even throw them on one of your trucks. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, I would love it if you could subscribe. It really helps me out. We're almost to 1,000, and yeah, I'm pretty excited about that. More content coming soon, and yeah, it's gonna do it. So take it easy, and if it's easy, take it twice.